Okay guys, so I've been meaning to make this video for a long time, but I never really got around to it because the fan is way too big. Yes, this is a Casablanca Panama with Avalon blades. I got this last summer off of Craigslist for an amazing deal. I could not pass it up. There was no way I was going to. So it's in like great shape too, so barely any scratches. Came with everything. Even came with the mounting screws for the remote. So it's in like new condition. It does not have the canopy because I'm testing it. It's gonna come down after this. Here's the canopy. All the washers, everything's there, so it's almost brand new to the box. The lady told me that she bought a house with this inside of it, and she just didn't want it, so she sold it. So I guess without further ado, we'll start it up. I just gotta find the remote real quick. Kinda lost it. Right here. Okay. Can you see that? Yeah, you can see it well. I could turn on the light, but it would give a strobe effect. Alright, so here's the remote and the fan. It turns on 1. Slowest speed. It doesn't move much air on like the first 3 speeds, but when you get the speed 4, 5, and 6, it really starts to go. It's more of a show. Look. I'll set the camera down. Yeah, you can see that. If you want to see the remote control, there that is. I'll kick it up to speed 2. That was not the fan, that was the air conditioner running on. This fan's quiet. It does not make any noise other than the blades when it's on speed 6. It gives a whooshing noise, which you'll hear it when I turn it on. Also, excuse me my voice, and it's just bad today. Kinda sick. Just how to make the video sometime soon. Go to speed 3. It's gonna wobble because it's not even mounted right, and the mounting bracket's kind of loose up there, so I just didn't really do it. And I don't know if I said this before, but there's no way this is getting hung anywhere in my house permanently. The ceilings are just way too low. Like, I am 6 foot, and I can touch the ceiling just fine. So, it's not really gonna work out. And also, upstairs, it can go nowhere. It'd be too big for my room. The living room, it would get broken. My parents' room, they wouldn't want this in their room. The kitchen, no. So, it's gonna be held until I get a house one day. So I hope to install this in my house one day, which it would look pretty cool. Go to speed 4. I'm feeling air about 4 feet away from it, so it's a good sign. But if the ceilings were higher down here, I would put it up down here. Because it goes really well with the theme too. We have like blue and kind of retro theme. Also, in here is kind of retro-y, so it would look pretty well down here if the ceilings were a bit higher. Go to speed 5, it's gonna shake around a little bit. Now, when I turn it on speed 6, I'm not gonna turn it on for a long time because it's just gonna shake around, and I don't want it hitting the extension cord it's on or hitting a ceiling tile or anything. So it's gonna probably stay for around 10 seconds and I'll shut it off. Sounds really cool though, the blades. One of the blades I tightened a little bit too much, so it's a little bit higher than the other ones. I don't know if it's better than the blade. Nah, it's not. Alright, now turn on speed 6. I'll move this front. Yeah, you're gonna hear it. That sounds so cool. It kicks ass on speed 6 too. So, and I'm gonna shut it off right here. I'll do spin down, even though I usually don't do it, but why not? Ticks pretty quick. And that's about it. I'll show you the top and other stuff. In case you haven't seen one of these close up before. These are a bit fragile, so I don't really like to wiggle them around a lot because they are very flimsy. I wish Casablanca still made this model, because it would sell out, really. They do make the Malibu Star though, so that's always, at least they didn't totally get rid of the design. But it still looks so cool. Now obviously the lady did not know that this fan's worth a lot of money, so she gave it to me cheap. And here's the hang shoe, in case I didn't show you that already. I had it in this box here. The blades I just hung on the wall in the unfinished room, but I need a better place to hang them. Here's the Delta. It's in the box of the Delta 2. Here's the Delta 2. This thing is probably for parts. It's broken. It works on 2 speeds, and that's it. So only forward too. So I'll make a video of that probably today, maybe so. But yeah, that's about it really. I'll just get a reverse. Oh yeah, I'll turn on speed 1. Reverse. Totally forgot about reverse. I'm sorry. Try not to make this video too long. So yeah, that's the Casablanca Panama with Avalon blades. This is probably one of the only times you're going to see this video because it's going to be a pain in the ass to install. So yeah, it's such a cool fan too. I love it. But that's it. Bye.